Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to activate the Astra theme. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, hover over Appearance and click on Themes. Next, you will see an Add New button at the top. Click it, then search for Astra in the search bar. Once you find it, click Install and then Activate to make it your active theme. This process takes only a few moments. Once Astra is active, you will likely see a prompt to install the Starter Templates plugin. This is highly recommended. This plugin provides access to hundreds of professionally designed, pre-built website templates. You can select your favorite page builder, like Elementor or Gutenberg, and then import a full website or specific pages with just one click. It saves a tremendous amount of time. With Astra, customization is straightforward. Navigate to Appearance and then Customize to open the WordPress customizer. Here, you can control global settings for your website, including the header, footer, typography, and color palettes. Astra's intuitive drag-and-drop header and footer builder allows for flexible design. All changes are visible in real time, ensuring you see exactly what your visitors will experience. Astra is celebrated for its exceptional performance. The theme is incredibly lightweight, often under 50 kilobytes, which contributes to very fast loading speeds. This is crucial for user experience and search engine optimization. Should you need assistance, Astra provides extensive documentation, a dedicated support team, and a large, active community forum where you can find answers and share insights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.